Hi, my name is Neelam. Currently, I'm working for Stafford House as a STEM director. This course is specially designed for those students who would like to learn critical skills in the field of science, which can help them to pursue their future, their career in the field of STEM. They experience lots of practical activities. Today they have learnt about combustion practical. They can have experience of world renowned university like University of Cambridge, which is our center where we are based, and they can then maybe pursue their future studies in one of those universities.
My name is Aurora. I'm 16. I'm from Brazil, and I'm studying the STEM and English program. So there's many different things that we do. I think that's very interesting. Like last week we dissected a heart. I think about doing biology. I think that's very interesting. I like genetics and biology in general. I like that it's not so theoretical. We do a lot of things practical, and I've really enjoyed the STEM and English course, especially the biology, and I love doing the experiments.
My name is Eduardo. I'm 16. I came here from Italy. I went here to study the science subjects and of course English. My favorite subject is biology, but in this course a man of the UK Space Agency, his name was Robin, he taught us how to build a heat-proof shield for the spaceships. I've learned a lot in my class as a STEM student. The lessons were very interesting, especially the one with the guest from the UK National Space Agency. And also the museums, the places we visited out of the lessons were very, very cool.
The goal of the activity is to prepare students and to help them to develop the knowledge in the practical activities. By engaging them in hand-on practical activities, we actually help them to develop their interest in field of science, especially in the field of chemistry, biology, physics and computer science. I'm teaching this course from last 6 years, and I really love teaching students in STEM English course. I would like to welcome all the students who will join us in the future.